Baldo stays with Petalio. Nitura! Assist. Sagaysay. Nitura. Grabe! Doon at saka si T4. Petalio galing likod. Napadaan sa kamay. Sagaysay. Combination play again. Shaina Nitura. Down the line this time. Getting it to Petalio. Mordi is still there. Lipat, Nitura, cross court! Welcome back to Adamson University. Shaina Nitura. Tanke. Kabila. Nitura!
She's really on fire for this match.
Grabe yung power. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Eh, mahirap mag-over-receive pag may siya. Over-received again, and Nitura will win. Mordi. Sagaysay. Nitura. Binalik. Hindi na iwan sa loob. Itawid. Yan. I'll go to Nitura. Shaina down the line. Fifth set. Si JP Ude, hinayaan niya magtalumpati si Shaina Nitura to address her team. And the option Devosora. Kailangan ni Mordi. Nitura. And it is not traceable.
Agency. Shaina Nitura. Who else? Alam man nila. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano siya pipigilan. Lahat. Sagaysay na Nitura.
Parang sa mga video games eh.
Wizards, NCAA champions, of course. Coming off a timeout, can they score?
Ipa itong hahabulin nila at 10-4.
Here's that push. Ball up. Shy.
Got that second ball. It was a libero.
Okay.
Itinaas na lang talaga yung bola sa kanya. Now they're only down
To get the ball over. Barrera. Here comes Shy again with a cross.
lakas eh, no? At saka yung resistensya na itong si Shaina Nitura. Putting it all in every attack that she does.
Here's the tip. Oh, sino pa ba? Even her teammates. Talagang huhiwala. Parang papasukin yun. Atake.
Parang slump.
Sparrow right there. Here it comes. What a cross court.
Pasan yung dalawang defenders.
Parang not here, but there. Easy over. Chance here. Adamson. Shaina Nitura.
That ball, you can just imagine, ayan o, isn't that high? But sakto para kay Nitura.
Single back row, may coverage. Tudor was right there. And who else? Laika serves it well. Sagaysay. There.
Wow! Ang ganda! Kumabol.
And the possibility is there.
Oh!
Has to do. And no wonder. I'm not surprised at all by calling her.
Place.
Baka magalit naman yung mga nag-date ka na ba? Anyways, you in this sport. We're talking about Shaina Nitura.
Yeah. Naging successful yung pass play. So, you know, she knew that they were gonna score na.
That time. It gives them.
Ganda nung setup ni Sagaysay. Perfect for that combination. Kita mo, isa na lang yung
So far, things are really going well here. Babawi ba with that mistake earlier? It caught the line. Wow. Yep. Here's Sagaysay. Alam na alam nila.
But then, ayun no, naghiwalay yung blockers.
Over right now. Chance for the Lady Falcons. And here she comes.
Pa talaga nakakapatay mga bola niya. Sobrang effective yung mga attacks niya. Alam natin kung gaano mas ka-effective itong si Nitura.
Estrelier. Down 4 ngayon. Itong kuponan na Letran here in the second. Shaina!
Ayan na.
Ayan na, pinupuntok muna yung braso. Ngayon nakababa na yung braso. Ayan na, puro pa knockout na yung titirahin. Martin. Sagaysay goes to Shaina again!
Walang nahawakan itong Letran sa blocking.
In the middle pa rin tayo. Isar can't score. Shaina! Yes! Martin! And again, it is Mordi. Shaina ends it! Pag kailangan mo na talaga ng puntos, just go to this young lady.
Yes, sunod-sunod. Masyadong madami for Adamson yung mga errors sa binitawan. Pero bawi naman ngayon kay Shai Nitura.
So you could say that it is really more of the doing. Pero naipalo ni Zay Pasha. Face Sagaysay will go to Shai Nitura! Shai Nitura.
Grabe. Flight ano ba yan? Share mo naman, Shai.
Flight ADU1 of their games. Kaya, again, you're starting to see the picture for Ateneo. Pero dito,
Yan.
lumobo yung tip ni Donna May. Shai Nitura, lumipad na naman.
He just can't attack. Pag binigyan mo yung Adamson, kahit sa likod pa yung atake na yan.
Nitura. Great dig coming from Ana Hermosura. Nisperas, power tip. Nakuha ni Mordi. Returning to Shai. Credit, by the way, to Frances Mordi. Effort paying off doon sa pag-dive niya.
Right.
Tay.
Yes.
Bitid. Diskarte nila Robit sa kanitax. Uh-oh.
But
Good service by Arellano. Shai. Down by 1. Itong Arellano. And Shai Nitura happening again.
Oh,
That's Shai Nitura. And she goes to the back row attack.
a really fast play, and look at this. Ang baba ng bola niya, ang bilis ng tira, single blocker lang, walang kalaban. Mas may pressure kapag ikaw yung
Kaya
naghahabol.
nga.
Wow!
Talk
What
about
a hit.
EU. Sa men's po yan. Semis din yan. Kami rin po ni Cheeky ang assigned to cover that one.
They will be scoring.
Isa pa.
So yun na nga.
18 kontra 11. Combination.
Ganda naman yun. Yan, sa tres. Kahit pa paano, yung blocker
Pero
saves us the time, no? Para mag-review.
regalo. Servidad. May umi-slide na Sam tira-tira. Hindi lang naipasa ni Kat. Dumasik sa kanya. Stand sa MMA. Sa isa. Gymnastics. Ayun. Grab spike of the set. Shai Nitura with that pipe attack. Corners. Kisha Abitria. Medyo lumobo yung palo. Shai Nitura. Yun ang palo.
Shai Nitura. Pero mukhang nakapag-adjust na din itong si Shai.
O kahit kasi yung makisigi. Ang kinin ko na. Nitura! Hard from the back. Shai. Got it.
Bumawi.
Abitria Doug. Shai Nitura 1-2!
Sobrang laki ng kalamangan yun ng first set. Pagdating ng second set, ibang kwento talaga.
Oo. Sagaysay. Punta kay Nitura. Yes!
Kita natin na effective na decoy na rin ito si...
Lot of options for face. Sagaysay. Choosing Shai Nitura. Ganda.
Nahanap ni Coach JPU din na lumayo yung mga blockers. Kaya ito, one-on-one lang si Ubaldo ang Nitura.
Grab spike of the set. That will take game 1. Nitura. Kapag!
Remember the 3 aces.
Oh! Wow!
Oh, the block. Adamson.
It was so well timed. They knew where the block, the spike was going to come from, and that's a grab block.
Good recovery. Francis Mordi. Shine Itura.
So, she made sure na yung placement niya was where Suplico couldn't get galing ang hitters. And then, of course, some words kay Suplico, their defense formation, halimbawa yun, butas na butas sa zone 1 at nakita formation is there so that, ayan, this grab spike of the set will not be able to hit the floor.
Of course, a couple of points needed here by Adamson. Shine Itura going cross scope. And that time around, wala na talaga magawa.